right, white, wing, ring, wise, rise. Can you feel the difference? No? Stick around. Well, hello YouTube land, how's going? Let's move on and see a little bit more about the sound of the letter R. In the first part, we talked about vowel plus R, remember? Now, in this video, it's gonna be R plus vowel. Actually, we're gonna see words that start with R. We're going to explore some sounds here, maybe not them all, but I hope it can be a good exercise and help us to get things right? Let's begin by seeing the mechanics involved. Like we've done before, open your mouth, make a wide open sound, and curl your tongue back. Remember? R, R. Now, one step further, close your lips. R. Keep making the sound. R. Got it? Now to the words. Let's begin by the main sounds of the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Sound of A. Array. Array. Ray. Rage. Rage. Rake. Rake. Rave. Rave. Ray. Ray. Raise. Raise. Rate. Rate. Sound of E. E. Re. Re. Reach. Reach. Read. Read. Ring. Ring. React. React. Rehearse. Rehearse. Retort. Retort. Sound of I. Rye. 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 Rise. Rise. Ride. Ride. Rife. Rife. Rhyme. Rhyme. Rise. Rise. Right. Right. Sound of O. A-E-I-O. O. R. Row. 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 Road. Road. Rogue. Rogue. Row. Row. Rolling. Rolling. Roast. Roast. Rose. Rose. Sound of A-E-I-O, U. U. Let's pick up ooh, okay? Ooh. Roo. 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 Root. Root. Rude. Rude. other sounds, okay? Other sounds now. Sound of schwa. Sound of schwa. R, rub, rub, ruffle, ruffle, rug, rug, rust, rust, rush, rush, rupture, rupture. Other sound here is eh, ra, ra, rabbit, rabbit, rabble, rebel, reckon, reckon, record, record, red, red, resolution, resolution. Next sound is awe, awe, raw, 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 rot, rot, rubber, rubber, rock, rock. All right, let's call it a day. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kids and adults. Keep practicing. See you soon. Stick around. See ya.